This video will demonstrate the installation of a Headlight Armor headlight protection kit on a Dodge Ram 1500 using our Light Smoke headlight protection kit. Before you begin, you'll need your Headlight Armor lighting kit and squeegee, a spray bottle with straight water, a can-do attitude, your hair dryer, a microfiber towel, and a razor knife. Once you have your headlight clean, mist down the surface of the lens with water, remove the kit from the backing paper, mist down the adhesive side with water, and apply to the headlight, aligning at the inner edge. Verify the first few inches aligned as well. When you're happy with the alignment, squeegee the inner edge. Now that you have the kit set, lift the remaining material, mist down the adhesive side with water, and align to the far end of the kit. Once you have the kit centered and lined, mist down the surface with water, squeegee down the center line of the headlight from the area you started all the way to the end of the kit. Warm the edges with the hair dryer if it's cold out, and continue to squeegee back and forth from the center line down, squeegeeing a little bit at a time back and forth across the kit to distribute the material as evenly as possible. Warm the edges with the hair dryer as necessary, and continue back and forth until you get to the end of the material. Once you have the bottom of the kit set, warm the top edge with the hair dryer and repeat, working from the center line up toward the top edge of the kit, back and forth, squeegeeing just a little bit at a time to distribute the material as evenly as possible. Warm any edges as needed. And continue to the edge of the headlight. Finish up by going over all the edges with the hair dryer, your squeegee and microfiber towel. If you have any edges hanging off, trim them flush with the razor knife, and you're done. Visit HeadlightArmor.com for lighting protection kits for your specific application today.